Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Today in this video we are going to solve this question: draw a character to be used in a PC game. So you see, whenever you need to draw any character that has some significance in a PC, so you need to be very creative and think a little outward. To start with, it's just like figure drawing itself, but here you're going to block it out as the way or the posture you want the figure to stand. So you can exaggerate at some portions, and at some portions you can add or draw in a way so that it looks unique. So most important thing about any game character is its uniqueness, and you can bring out that uniqueness with the accessories or the type of clothing it is going to wear. So that gives your character a unique feel, and it shows that it is from a different world. So that different or a fantasy world. So that gives your creativity an edge, and thus you succeed in developing a unique character. So remember, if you are asked to do, give the concept very clearly so that it is understandable. And it also portrays the uniqueness of the character that persona, which also indicates to the kind of mission or the kind of activity he is going to have inside that game. So here you see the character that has been developed has a inspiration from Western outfit like the Wild West, but at the same time he's wearing a hat and other things which looks a little mystical and slight inspiration from a wizard. So this combination of various features is what is needed in developing a character that looks unique. So you see, you can give the gloves, and a stud which he is using. And that is his weapon. So now you can add depth. In your figure. And thus your figure will start popping up. And always keep in mind to add a foreground, otherwise the figure looks like he is standing on here or something. This also adds some ground to your figures. So I hope you understood how to solve questions like this and create concepts. Keep mixing various features and various attacks of various from various genres and various times, and try to see whether you can create a character that looks very unique. Thank you.